I have experienced that people who are perfectionists or who have this trait in their personality are unpopular bosses. If such person is appointed as head of organization or any unit of the organization, their production level drops. Employees become tense because their boss is not satisfied with their work. Consequently, employees are demotivated and feel unhappy. They never apply themselves fully for the job. In schools or colleges, if a teacher has this trait, students don't perform at the maximum of their abilities. Such teachers usually award low marks or grades to their students. Resultantly, students are discouraged and demotivated. In my opinion, we should understand that there is nothing such thing as perfectionism. To overcome this issue, one should work hard to get in-depth knowledge about the assignment or task or product, etc., and also know what are the acceptable standards. With this ability, we can move forward rather than sticking to the task in hand. So don't try to be perfectionist, be knowledgeable and feel confident.